As much as I have enjoyed making money from Amazon KDP over the past 5 years that I've been on this platform, I must confess that there are certain things that I do not like about the platform, and sometimes it's very worrisome when you see these things. And I think that if you want to start Amazon KDP, you should actually know about these things. Amazon KDP is not a perfect system. It has its own flaws, and they are working on some of those their flaws, but there are some that they are still holding on to, and is affecting a lot of self-publishers. One of my biggest issues when it comes to Amazon is what happens to the money you have made if they terminate your account. I have a very close friend of mine that he lost thousands of dollars on Amazon simply because they terminated his account for something probably he did. The money he had for over 2 months is gone. Where does the money go to? Amazon takes the money, and the books that you sold did not even violate the Amazon policy, but they still collect the money. That is one of the biggest problems I have. So no matter the amount of money you have made, you just have to wait until the money enters your account. That money is not still yours. It's very painful. I remember that experience very well, and it really affected my friend so much that up till now, I don't think he has even recovered fully from that experience. It's so very painful because you have already made the sale, the money. Amazon had already told you, okay, this is the money you have made from their platform, and you're expecting the money into your account. You already made plans, and okay, they have terminated your account. Fine, the account has been terminated, but what about your money? It is your time, it is your energy. Sometimes you have even put money into ads and everything. Your account will just go. If they can terminate your account and still give you back the money that is being owed to you, I don't have an issue with that. But to me, it's completely unfair. After terminating your account, you just withhold the money. But they say it's their policy and there's nothing you can do about it. Another big problem I have with Amazon is when you even try to appeal to them about these things, they might just become very adamant to you. They'll just say that there's nothing they can do. You send them emails, they'll just be like, that's all they can do. The next thing I have problems with when it comes to Amazon KDP is when they block your books unfairly, unnecessarily. You are doing something that is right. You have checked all the things, make sure that your book is right, but they'll just keep blocking books, and you'll not be wondering, what am I doing wrong? The primary reason why they are blocking books is because they're actually choosing certain countries. Right now, I noticed that if you are coming, especially if you are in Nigeria, your books are going to get blocked almost instantly. And you'll not be wondering, very few accounts, especially the older accounts, that their books don't get blocked. But now, even the older accounts is getting affected. If you just open a new account here in Nigeria, your book is just going to get blocked, or your account might soon get terminated, or you not even have your OTP. There's just so many issues now. It's like they are targeting certain countries. Okay, I understand that Nigerians abuse the system, but it's not all Nigerians that did abuse the system. And it's not only Nigerians that actually abuse the system. Now, a lot of people now have to now use foreign accounts for them to be able to publish books on Amazon KDP. And that is actually like something that is very sad. It used to be a very good system to make money from, but right now, there's a target on certain countries that they don't want them to publish their books anymore on Amazon. Another problem that I actually have with Amazon KDP right now is that almost every year, your royalties is being slashed. This year, what they said was that if your book's price is below $9, they are going to cut the royalties you make. Amazon actually already makes a lot of money from your book sales. At the end of the day, the percentage of money you make from your book sold, if you are selling paperback, is about 40% of the money actually goes to you. The remaining 60% goes to Amazon. And it's like they are coming for more and more of the royalty that you can get per book sold. Ideally, what you want to expect is that, okay, you want to actually earn more, and Amazon takes less because, they have like more people that they are selling to. So if they calculate everything together, they will make way more. But it's like they are coming more and more for the individual publisher on their platform. And there's nothing you can do about it because they always justify it by the cost of production and everything is increasing and all those stuff. But at the end of the day, that's something that is like less money for you in your pocket. This is what you were supposed to be making before, but now you cannot really make as much as you're making then. Another problem that I have with Amazon KDP is that it is very difficult right now to sell your books without running ads. So it seems like Amazon is forcing people to spend money on ads before people can actually see their book. Before, when we started Amazon KDP, immediately your book goes live on Amazon generally pushes that your book, because it's new, to the top of the search page so that customers can actually see the book and want to buy. Then after some time, when they realize that people in that niche are not interacting with the book anymore, people are not like clicking on the book and they don't buy it, then what will now happen is that your book will now be going down. You'll not see your book anymore on the search page. That's what used to happen before. But now If you publish your book, you're not going to see your book on the search page at all. They're not making it very, very difficult for people that don't actually have money to run ads to be able to sell book on Amazon. For me, that was the purpose why Amazon KDP itself was created, to help people that could not afford the traditional way of publishing books to come to self-publishing. And Amazon wanted to use that opportunity to support authors that do not actually have the resources to publish it in the traditional way. But at the end of the day, you now realize that, okay, if you are not a popular person on social media, that you can get your own audience and bring them to Amazon to come and buy your books, it's now going to be like very difficult for you to actually make sales on Amazon. I'm not blaming anybody that already have a strong social media platform, bringing their audience into Amazon to sell. That's a lot of work to create that kind of following. But for those people that don't have that kind, I would have preferred it if there is still that way that Amazon can still promote people's books organically without actually having to run ads the way it has to run ads. Another thing about Amazon KDP is that the account termination is now getting so frequent that you don't really know what you would even do that will get your account terminated. And if your account is terminated, all your royalties are gone. So the idea that you are working on eggshells, that you are trying as much as possible to be original with your content, at the end of the day, you don't even know what you will do that will just get your account terminated. So that fear of your account being terminated at any time is always there. So you now have to, at the end of the day, now look for other ways that you can actually sustain yourself if you want to make money online. There are like a lot of things that are very, very good with the platform. The platform is one of the best self-publishing platforms in the world, but it is not perfect at the end of the day. And these are just few of the things that I think you should know if you are planning on starting Amazon KDP. That CEO, it is not a perfect system. And when you watch all these videos online where they tell you that you can make thousands of dollars using AI, doing this, doing that, just come first and start making books first. Then you will know that those things are just marketing gimmicks. They don't actually work. There are very few people that make money on Amazon KDP and make good money from it. If you come into the platform with that mindset, you are easily going to get disappointed. If you have not already subscribed to the channel, then you can just simply hit the subscribe button. I actually made a video about 50 other platforms that you can actually use to sell your books, whether it is an ebook or is a paperback or is a hardback or even an audiobook. There are like 50 other platforms and I've made like the complete video about it. So if you want to know those 50 platforms, you can actually watch this video here where I explain to you in details their benefits and also their pros and also their cons.